What if Quinteros catches her taking it?
She should have been back by now.
I'll tell you what I'll do. You stay here. I'll go back to the hotel and see if I can get Juan to ring the house, maybe, and see if Consuela's left there or not.
Be careful.
Oh, don't worry. I will.
Mr. Palmer, the photo.
Oh, great, thanks. Consuela, wait!
Mr. Palmer.
David? David? Oh, excuse me. I am looking for a friend. Amigo.
Amigo.
Australian. Really tall. Tall.
Sorry, no English.
Obrigada. David? David? Oh, David. Oh, David. What on earth happened? Come on. I've got to try and get you to a hospital. Oh, David. Wait a minute. There we go. Come on. Oh, David. Oh, David.